Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Introduction to AI Basics. My name is Rocío Bautista, and this is my colleague, Yuliia Kunts, Scrum Master. We are excited to explore the world of artificial intelligence with you. Artificial intelligence is all around us, from virtual assistants to self-driving cars. Our goal today is to help you to understand the basics, regardless of your background. So we will cover the key topics like what is artificial intelligence and its history, the real-world application, and the ethical considerations. We will keep things really simple and interactive, with plenty of real-world examples. So feel free to ask questions and join in our discussion. I will give you the word, Yuliia.
So I'm going to share my screen. Wait a moment. Let me assign if you see the presentation.
Yes, we can see it.
I'm sorry. Wait a minute.
Don't worry, take your time.
Yeah. So, welcome to the AI Wonderland. Imagine stepping into a world where a machine can think, learn, and even beat you in a chess game. So, if you're intrigued, so perfect. I'm Yuliia, and I'm your guide on this journey, and I'm here to show you how exciting this world can be. So, let's dive in. Our goal today is simple yet ambitious. We will introduce you to the basic of artificial intelligence and demonstrate its magic in real life, show you that it's a helper and there is no need to be afraid of it. And hopefully I will light a fire of your curiosity and inspiration on you. And at the end, you'll see that artificial intelligence, it's not just buzzword, but a powerful tool that is shaping our future. So a little bit about myself. I'm a Scrum Master, developer, and an artificial intelligence enthusiast with a background in process automation and a master's degree on top of that. I've experienced firsthand the huge potential of AI. Let's connect on LinkedIn, and you can drop me a message through email. So let's get started. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence is all about making machines smart. Think of it as giving them a brain, one that can recognize speech, process images, make decisions, and even translate text. From the Turing test in the 1950s to today's advanced deep learning, it's been quite a journey. And fasten your seatbelts because we make quick tour through AI history. AI started in the 1950s with the Turing test, which checks if a machine could think like a human. In the 16th and 17th, basic AI programs and expert systems were created. And by the 18th and 19th, neural networks emerged, leading to the 2000s, where machine learning and big data took off. Finally, in the 2010s, deep learning made huge improvements in recognizing images and speech. And nowadays, AI is already a big part of our life, and it's everywhere. From Siri reminding you about meeting to Netflix suggesting you next video, AI is everywhere. And it's not just the fun and games, it's also diagnosis diseases and driving cars as well. So now we are living in the future. Let's dive deeper and explore what the various applications of AI in different fields. So AI in actions. Application of AI are very vast and varied. For example, in medicine, as I said, it's now diagnosis diseases and developing new drugs and monitors the patient's health. In finance, it predicts market trends and provides personalized advice. And in our daily life, it makes our homes smarter and our cars self-driving. And the AI makes our daily life easier and more futuristic. And that's just some of the applications of AI. It's very vast. So welcome to living in the future. So pretty cool, right? But to work with AI, now exist various tools and platforms, and main challenge to choose a right tools. So I can introduce you some of them most useful. For example, for text processing, you can use Grammarly to check the grammar, Hemingway editor for complex sentences, and Scrivener, and of course ChatGPT, and helps us create text and edit and translate and very many things. Tools for image generations. It's DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion, it's most famous. Also, AI now can work with audio. It's Audacity, Adobe Audition, and Descript. And also with video, it's Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve. So now it's time to see some examples. I will show how you can use AI in examples, and I hope to inspire you to start exploring the possibilities of AI. For example, you can write a poem with ChatGPT. You just put a prompt. I put a simple prompt, write a fun quatrain using numbers about the weather, and it give me a little small fun poem. So you can use it to create birthday greeting to your friends, and just for fun with friends, but also you can write a serious poem, putting your ideas into ChatGPT. Then artificial intelligence, you can help you with job search. You can craft your CV and polish it with ChatGPT, also create motivation letters. As well, it even can help you prepare for a job interview. Also, I put some prompts in it, and he proposed the questions that interview recruiter can give you on interview, and it helped to prepare for the interview and give you feedback. How did you manage your interview? Also, you can create an incredible image. You can show all your creativity and imagination, and it's all up to you how to create all these images. You can pretend to you as a famous painter. So now we only touch the basics of AI, look at its application in various fields, see the main tools and see where AI can be applied in practice. And remember, the key to mastering AI is to keep learning, practicing, and getting involved in the community. So keep the good work, AI enthusiasts. Just keep learning and climbing. Also, I put here some extra materials for you. You can scan QR codes and download the key steps for getting started with AI. Then terms and its glossary about AI terms, and also the detailed instruction for registration and start conversation with ChatGPT. Also in September, we'll plan to hold a set of workshops on the topics about creating illustrations, building digital avatars, writing captive stories, crafting compelling headlines. So if you're interested, please fill out the pre-registration form and we will send you the dates of workshops. And as a bonus, we will send you as well this presentation. So let's enhance our skills together. Let's connect with me and Rocío and continue exploring the world of AI together. Feel free to contact with us on LinkedIn, and we'll keep the AI magic alive. So thank you for your attention, and remember that AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. So let's get ahead of the curve and embrace our future. Thank you very much for your attention.
How do you feel, guys? What do you think in this world is essential to have for artificial intelligence? We have here Katerina, and what's the name? Aneha?
Alona.
Alona.
Second name is Alona.
Do you guys have any question for now? How do you feel today about artificial intelligence course?
Thanks a lot for this short introduction. It was interesting to get know about different applications. I've heard as well. So maybe first question, what is interesting for me is differences between GPT, Google, what else, how many other providers, let's say, for such applications existed, I don't know. So if you could clear up a bit, it would be helpful. What is the difference? What is better for what? Whatever.
The difference is that use their own a little bit different language models that for example, ChatGPT is better for like generating text. And for example, in marketing, he can create a detailed content plan for those who work in, yes. And also ChatGPT, their paid version can better work with documents, so you can download their Excel or doc and, for example, even images, and he can read the text from image. Google a little bit go behind, yes.
In
It's
text or in different aspects?
in Google model better used for search as it was before, and it stays now. It better use for search through huge materials in internet. They improve their algorithms in search, and they still leader in this direction.
Could I ask?
Mhm.
I'm interested more like using AI for work. So yeah, it's interesting, for example, how to make some, for example, to make tables, or to make some analysis, like put some data and see relations and correlations. What application would be good for this? Is it GPT or something else? Because I failed with using GPT for. I tried to analyze some tables, and I failed. It gives me so weird, not information, but so he didn't understand my questions or request. So yeah, it would be interesting to get know more about the requests and prompts, how to make it, and I'm interested in professional, like how I could use it for this, huge, complicated job, like tables, analyzing data, or whatever. If you could give a hint or share something, or maybe it would be like deeper.
In this I can help because Power BI is also for managing data. And also you can do
Which
this
one?
kind of Power BI.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I mean, we don't have plenty time, but Power BI can help.
And
And
if I don't mistake, it's also Tableau. It's for displaying data, different like visual presentation.
in which field are you working right now?
HR and coaching, and organization and people development field. So yeah, I need, let's say, for strategic, for building up strategy, to analyze big data, or to analyze some surveys or something like this, or for example to check my hypothesis. So whatever, I need a wise partner in front of me to talk about.
Also, you can, Yuliia, you can contact her and you can see what are the specific of the needs that she needs, because this is a very general course, but we can go into details, specifically with Yuliia, with me, and you can share which kind of specifics do you need. So in that way, they can teach you how to address these problems or these solutions that you might need. And this is a really, really great example of how can we use artificial intelligence nowadays. Because usually what we can do in the past is just a simple Google search, but now you can use many of the big data and business analytics tools around the world, and you can use it for specific homeworks or a specific job works, but this needs to be very, very specific depending on the topic. This is one of the limitations that you can search in artificial intelligence, but also you need to be extremely specific in order for the artificial intelligence to give you the rightful insights, the information that you exactly need.
So if you could help with this, or if you know some courses or whatever specialized on this, I would be interested in how to practically use which apps. If it is GPT, okay, it is GPT. If it is, I heard it first time today, this Power BI.
Power BI,
Yeah.
This
so
is for
how
business analytics.
Yeah, so maybe some basics as well, but I would be
Okay.
interested. So you could put me in a list.
So you can send us a form. I now try to find. You can scan the code and you.
Yeah, I already I
um,
found I saw you your advertisement in the
LinkedIn.
yeah. So I will connect.
And here we have another question from Areja. What can I use for a YouTube channel, please? In what way? And thank you. Thank you for your question. Areja.
For YouTube channel, it's a special. What help do you need for it? For example, with artificial intelligence, it can help to create a video, can create covers for YouTube videos to pay attention on your video and to attract more visitors on your video. Also, you can analyze your concurrent. So they can help to get subscriptions. So it depends what is your goal, and about special tools for YouTube, I need to do some research. So if you write a little bit more also about your specific task, so we can help you. Hello.
Hello, Areja. Is like this your name, Areja?
Alana.
Alana. Attraction new subscribers.
So it's as I mentioned, you need an attractive cover and make captive headlines on your video, and I think it's the artificial intelligence can help. I think can stop 100% to this. So creating captive headlines and also cover for your video.
Also, it's really important for you when you are having or when you are in a YouTube video subscribers, it's also good to study the marketing strategies in order to know your public. By example, if you want to give to the public some insights about your job, or if you want to inform to the public or certain topics. It depends of which kind of information are you managing, because it depends if it will be informative, it will be for sales, it will be for probably maybe to comment and share, and other things can be like for, you know, gossip, artists, many different kinds of coverage for YouTube. So it depends really on your topics and which kind of public do you want to reach.
And I also want to add that, yes, you're right, that it's better to explore your target audience first. And in this case, ChatGPT, it's a great helper. He put in right questions. He can help explore target audience, and then also create your content plan, and also create headlines for the video, and with this everything he can help.
This says it, thanks, and I will definitely follow your advice. How did you feel, guys, with these introductions of artificial intelligence?
Good, and it's nice to meet you. I saw that you are also from Switzerland.
Yeah,
So
we are both in Switzerland. I am in the Glarus part, and Yuliia Kunts is in Geneva.
Near the Geneva, between Geneva and Lausanne.
I'm
Yes.
from Basel.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I was living in Basel for 3 years, and now I moved near to Zurich. So 30 minutes from Zurich.
Zurich is also a nice place, and I am trying to find something interesting in Zurich as well for me.
So you can join.
Yeah.
Once we are in a coffee shop, we can join the four of us.
Cool. Nice idea. Yeah.
And we can discuss about these workshops, and we can
Great.
do something more specific in our fields, because probably might be different fields, but everything in the artificial intelligence world match, no?
It's true. It's true. Okay, I connected.
Guys, if you have any other questions, because we have approximately 10 more minutes, if you wanna share your thoughts, and if you want to learn more, there will be available classes from September. We have such a huge experience. Yuliia Kunts is a Scrum Master for 15 years, and I was project manager. Now I am founder of my own venture that is Alps Digital Marketing, and we also do artificial intelligence campaigns in Facebook, in Meta. So we are here to help you out with everything you need about artificial intelligence. And for the next month in September, Yuliia and myself are planning to do this. In the next classes, you will be able to share your questions, or even previously to have some space in these classes to share all together, and we can help each other. Also to see each other in Zurich.
Great idea. I will join.
Great idea, yes.
Okay, guys.
I'm writing the message. See
Okay.
you.
Okay, thank you very much, guys, for this beautiful
Thank you.
class, and see you in our next classes in September. Okay?
See you.
See you.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
Bye-bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day too.
Have a nice
Bye-bye.
day. Bye.